Drive Pilot by Mercedes is the first Level 3 ADAS technology to be certified to allow drivers to not keep their hands on the steering wheel or their eyes on the road on select roads and under specific conditions. Level 2 ADAS that is currently available on many vehicles allows autonomous driving, but the driver has the responsibility of continuously supervising the driving. Level 3 takes away this requirement and allows the driver to focus on other unrelated activities under certain road conditions and within defined geographical areas. This technology has been introduced in the S-Class and EQS models of the Mercedes lineup. Currently, this technology is slated to allow drivers to do things like play games or watch movies without supervising autonomous driving on major freeways in California and some parts of Nevada. At the heart of Drive Pilot are its advanced sensors, including radar, cameras, LiDAR, and ultrasonic sensors. These sensors work in harmony to monitor your surroundings, detect potential hazards, and make split second decisions to enhance your driving experience. Radar sensors, strategically positioned around the vehicle, constantly scan the road ahead, detecting objects, vehicles, and obstacles in your path. They measure the distance and relative speed of surrounding objects, providing crucial data for adaptive cruise control and collision avoidance. High resolution cameras mounted on the front, rear, and sides of the vehicle capture detailed images of the road and traffic conditions. They analyze lane markings, traffic signs, and pedestrians, enabling features like lane keeping assist, traffic sign recognition, and pedestrian detection. LiDAR sensors use laser technology to create a 3D map of the vehicle's surroundings, accurately detecting objects and obstacles at long distances. They provide precise spatial awareness and depth perception essential for autonomous driving functions and obstacle avoidance. Ultrasonic sensors located around the perimeter of the vehicle detect nearby objects and obstacles such as parked cars, curbs, and pedestrians. They assist with parking maneuvers, blind spot monitoring, and obstacle detection at low speeds. Drive Pilot is currently provided as a subscription service on the S-Class and EQS models. Mercedes has also provided a first responder interaction plan to enable first responders to understand how to handle an autonomously driven vehicle in case of emergencies such as accidents. It will be interesting to watch this technology evolve in the future.